awaited, Samsung finally announced the dual flagship Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus on Sunday, February 25, 2018 local time, series with the Mobile World Congress MWC in Barcelona, Spain. The line brings several new features, including super slow motion 960 fps at 1080p to increase the dramatic effect on a video, a f/1.5 aperture that can be relied upon to shoot objects in dim conditions, and Animoji to enhance the virtual communication experience. So, what is the price of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus? Corporate Marketing Director of Samsung Indonesia, Joe Sematang, said both will be released starting $12,000. More details. Samsung Galaxy S9 membrana roll for model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of memory. While the price of Galaxy S9 Plus, there are two versions, $12,000 for 6GB RAM model /64GB memory and $14,000 for 6GB RAM model /256GB memory.